Hello, everybody. It's Mark Ramey with the Mark Ramey Group, and I am here with Stephanie Cook. She's an amazing attorney with ShuffieldLowman, and she graciously has afforded us some time today to provide us some insight and information on ways that we can, when someone passes in our family, that we can really have things go well after someone passes away. So, Stephanie, welcome. We're glad you're here today.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Yep. So share with me a little bit about the type of law that you specialize in, Stephanie.
Sure. So I have been at ShuffieldLowman since I graduated from law school in 2007, and I practice specifically in the area of fiduciary litigation. What that means is I do any litigation related to trusts, related to probates, related to guardianships, typically of an elderly person that's incapacitated. I work very closely with the estate planning team that we have that does the planning side of things. But I really get to see, unfortunately, what can happen when the planning is not put in place. But I really enjoy it, though, because you do get to help people, usually in a very difficult time.
I imagine based on that, there have got to be times when you would say, if only this was planned for, this family wouldn't be going through this right now.
Yes, I can think of quite a few examples. Some of my classic cases are typically two siblings where, often mom and dad will move to Florida, right? Who doesn't want to retire in Florida? So they come to Florida and the siblings are up north or somewhere else. And then mom and dad come and unfortunately one of them passes away. And then they start talking to dad on the phone and he doesn't sound the same. And a caretaker's, has swooped in and got, taking control of his finances or other things. So in that case, both siblings, even with good intentions, I often see them get in a fight over who should be in charge of dad.
Wow.
And what could have, and then usually typically if there's no power of attorney or healthcare surrogate, you're gonna end up in a guardianship, which is very expensive. And if there had been a power of attorney and a healthcare surrogate, it could have avoided that. Not in every case, but it could. And if you have something called a pre-need guardian that says, listen, if I have to have a guardian, I want this person, and it creates a presumption. So it can lessen and sometimes eliminate two siblings really going at it. And it's an expensive fight too, as well.
Wow. So it sounds like it could really keep peace in the family and save people significant amounts of money.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you're finding the information to be interesting and helpful. If you would like to see the entire interview, please click the link below to my website, themarkramegroup.com, and check out the probate tab. There you'll find this interview along with several others and a list of helpful resources for successfully navigating the probate sale process. Have a great day.